Cool.
Hi.
Hi.
Color review monster truck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, see the green tires.
Oh. Green tires. Ooh. Whoa. Careful.
Don't get paint water all over things.
Hello.
Oh, it's purple.
Whoa. Purple truck. That's so cool.
Purple with green tires.
Purple with green tires? Ooh.
Wow. Whoa. That's so cool looking.
Now I have to wash myself.
Careful. Oh, you can't wash yourself in there with paint water. Wait, no. That doesn't go in there.
Wait, look, your Lego man is so mad at you. I don't know why. I've been so happy. I was like,
Okay, Paint, watch your sweater, okay?
okay.
Orange paint. Okay. Okay, so now we got it on there. Got it all washed. I got the little thing on. Okay. Whoa!
He squirted.
It's pretty cool, huh? Maybe just push. Oop! You love it? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And what else? Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel.